Now, let's say you already have a GitHub repo and you already have a code spaces that we can see here, but for some reason you do not really want to open it in the browser, but rather like to come back to your locally installed VS Code, but really work on this code space so that your extensions are working fine and you're more comfortable doing it locally rather than doing it in browser. So let me show you how you can do that by yourself. For that, I will first go to my VS Code. Now, one thing that you need as a prerequisite that you must be signed in. So I am signed in using my GitHub account. And the second thing I need to do is to click on this icon, which is for the code spaces. And as I click, a window pops up. And the important part here is to connect to Codespace. As I click here, I can see what all code spaces are already running or active in my user account. And the one that I'm looking for is based on the code base or an existing repository that I have. As I click here, we can see VS Code is setting up a remote connection to get the code space. It opened up an entirely new window. So let me maximize it. And it's opening this up in remote at the moment. And it opened up exactly the same code space with the same name that we had here, which is Literate Spoon. So as you can see, Literate Spoon is right here. So what I can do here is I can open up the terminal. And once it opens up, it's taking some time. So I'm in my workspaces. So this is again, not my local. I am into a terminal, but looking at the code that is under workspaces, I can do ls, but I can also do npm run dev. And as I run, the app starts and it's running on local port 5174. So it's running the app on my local host and not on the remote GitHub environment. So I can run the app from here as I was running it from the GitHub Codespaces in the browser environment. So this is how you can connect to an existing GitHub Codespaces for an existing repo that is already active.